Last time I left Wyoming traveling through the Bighorn National Forest towards the Black Hills of South Dakota and wound up riding Spearfish Canyon on my way to camp below Sturgis. Well, I made it to Sturgis, but it looks like what everybody was saying is true. Everybody that came to Sturgis is dead. So I probably should get out of here before I catch the COVID. Just outside Sturgis, south of Sturgis, went down an old country road, and it was more like an interstate. Couldn't find anything out there. It was all fenced off. Guy told me about some national forest, and I just happened to take this exit, and this is BLM land. And this is amazing. There's a campground right around the corner. On the other side of the interstate, there is a national cemetery. And this is just BLM. It's just open, and it's just right here. Exactly what I was looking for. No, actually, I was hoping to get up on a hill, but this is fine. I'm not going to cut across country just because I want to make a nice camp. So I'll throw the tent out, and I'm going to sit and have a beer. Sturgis is like 2 miles away, so why not? I got plenty of stuff to cook, I just don't feel like cooking. Must have been the beers I'm working at. 3 beers. Sturgis. Living the dream, baby! So it is another beautiful morning, 8 o'clock on Thursday, and the sun's just now coming up. I'm just now getting up because I woke up in a cold sweat last night about 1 o'clock and had the idea of I need to get rolling, and furthermore, I need to stop trying to put this journey together on the road. I'm kind of gotten overwhelmed and frustrated with editing, and that's going to be my I'm going to sit down and make a new format. I'm going to be shooting and editing video on the road today. I'm only about 10 days out from heading home, probably less than that. I've already turned south. I'm going to let the adventure shape the rest of my journey, but the big thing right now is I'm having so much technical difficulty editing video that I've decided to change the format. I'm going to skip ahead. I'm going to skip the videos because I want to do a good job on the videos, but I've got a number of problems that are keeping me from doing that. I've had microphone issues from almost day one. So the fine polish that I like to put on my videos with a little bit of a voiceover and all that's gone. You probably noticed some really bad audio additions in a few of the last videos, and I'm sick of it. I don't want to put out crappy videos. I mean, my videos are crappy enough already. I don't want they're well below my standards. So microphone issues, editing issues, I'm having power issues. If you'll notice, the sun behind me looks like the sun's going down, but it's coming up and it should be nice and bright, and it's not because of all the smoke out here. I'm in South Dakota. Shouldn't be that much smoke out here, but there is. There's tons of smoke out here, and that's an issue. It's hard for me to keep the batteries charged. That's it. I'm drinking my coffee, and hell, maybe later on today you'll see supposedly there's a spiral staircase bridge on a road that I'm going to ride today. It's called one's called Needles and one's called Iron Mountain, and I'm hoping to ride both of those today. If not, ride both of them today, camp near and ride them tomorrow. We'll see. Drinking my coffee. I'll talk to you later.